Hello, JD Restorations team. My name is Viviana, and today I want to share with you three things that you can do immediately to boost the traffic to your website. So, right now, I am looking at your website, and anything that you have on it um, is considered content. So, the text, the images, the videos, if you were to have one, all of those are considered content. So I can see that you have a click to call button over here. You have the two languages, English and Spanish, the contact us form, which is really good, the different badges over here, the links to the different services that you provide with pictures. So for example, what I was saying about the content, here is important you have it. Save the images with keywords, so in this case, water damage. Because Google, what it does is actually crawl your website, looking for those keywords to find you and also to rank you. Now, in terms of the amount of content, right now you have 505 words. Let's have a look at your competitors. So we have SurfPro, they have 1,499 words, and Water Damage Miami, they have 1,254 words. So this is an opportunity for improvement. It's actually throwing in more content so that you can push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, sprinkle all over your website so that Google can find you for those. And basically, what I did is that I came into Google and I typed in water damage restoration Miami, which is one of the buyer intent keywords of or what people type in when they want to buy a product or a service. And it actually relates to one of the services that you provide. And Google here shows me three sections. So the first one is the ads. Um, and the ads are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. And some people actually turn them off in their browser, so they just skip the whole section. Now, the second section is what we call the GMBs or the Google My Business profile. These GMBs are driving 40% of the traffic, so they are having a massive impact on businesses. Now, to rank at the top of the GMBs, you need three things. You need geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, such as Yelp or Facebook or Yellow Pages, and those details on those directories need to match those in your Google Business profile so that Google can verify you. And if they can, they will rank you at the top. So that's what you really want. You want to be in one of these three top positions. Now, the third section is what we call the organic search. And to rank at the top of the organic search, you need first to be found by Google in terms of content, but also you need backlinks. And we use a tool called Ahrefs to analyze the back end of the websites. Right now I am looking at yours, so jdrestorations.com, and I can see that there are 553 backlinks in 59 referring domains. That is, there are 553 links on 59 external websites, directing traffic towards your website. If I come here and have a look at your competitors, so Surf Pro, they have 106 backlinks in 44 referring domains. Remember, this is a landing page for Miami, Florida only. And then Water Damage Miami, they have 3,520 backlinks in 435 referring domains. So there's a little bit of work to do because you not only want to have more backlinks, but you also want to have powerful backlinks. And what I mean is that you want those links to be sitting on websites that are relevant to your niche because Google has algorithms to verify or to identify these. And if they can, they will actually regard you as an authority, in this case, in water restoration damages. And they will give you extra credit and extra points, and they will rank you at the top. Now, the other section that I wanted to show is the organic words. So you are being ranked for 321 organic keywords. This view here shows me those keywords. Now, the search volume is the number of times those keywords were searched for per month and the position in which you are appearing for that Google search. So and I also filter them to just focus on the buyer intent keywords. So for Miami, FL, or Florida. And for example, I can see that this one, Water Damage Cleanup Services West Palm Beach, has a search volume of 300, but you're in position 50. Winter Haven, Florida's, no, Mold Remediation, Orlando, Florida has a search volume of 200, but you're in position 89. So those are good keywords to target, but you really want to be in the top positions, because anywhere beyond the 10th position, it means that you're already on the second page of Google, and very few people are going to the second page of Google. So your website is not in front of many potential customers. Now, if I look at your competitors, Surf Pro, they are being ranked for 1,100 keywords. I can see their keywords here. I actually highlighted those that are buyer intent keywords. And I can see, for example, that they are in some of those ranking at the top. But I wanted to share with you is, for example, water damage restoration has a search volume of 300. Mold remediation Jacksonville, 300. Mold remediation Miami, 300. Water damage restoration Florida, 250. Water damage Miami, 250. So you can see, because I type in water damage restoration, you can see, and that's the landing page. I mean, the one that we're analyzing here is the landing page for water damage restoration. You can see in here that that page is ranking on the second position. And because of that, they are being able to drive more visits and more traffic to that particular back page in this case. Let's have a look at water damage Miami. They are being ranked for 357 organic keywords, and I highlighted some of those. So, for example, this is a good one. Mold removal Miami. The search volume is 450. They are not ranking well for that one. They're in position 30. But for example, water damage restoration, which is the keyword that I type in, and the reason why they are appearing on my search, has a search volume of 300, and they're in position number 3. So they are able to drive traffic to their website because they are targeting that keyword. Water damage Miami, they are in the first position. That has a search volume of 250. So they are being able to drive traffic, so 111 visits to their website. So basically the message here is that you actually want to identify those keywords relevant to your services and to the areas that you serve that have that have a higher search volume per month, because that means that if you have those in your content, then it means that Google is going to find you and it's going to rank you, and you're going to be in front of many potential customers, because at the end, what you do is that you add up this volume. So that's the number of times your website was in front of potential customers. And you have to look at it this way. A percentage of those potential customers will click on that link that will get them to your website, and then a percentage of those will reach out to you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers, increasing your revenue and basically growing your business. So that's why you need to increase the traffic to your website. If you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to use it and implement it on your own. Otherwise, please feel free to arrange a one-on-one consultation with me. My contact details are at the bottom of this email. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.